Welcome everyone. Welcome back to Rediscovering Inner Universe. In this video, I will guide you through manifesting a short-term goal. What is the meaning of manifestation? In short, we may say when our dreams come true. Manifestation is actually an act of turning our goals, desires, or dreams into reality. Many times we heard that people are saying, I have manifested that in my life, I have manifested this in my life, right? So, how does it work? Do you know there are 12 laws of the universe? Among them, 7th law is the law of attraction. So, using the law of attraction, we can manifest any goal or desire or dream in our life. You must have heard that like attracts like, right? Whenever you are desiring something, your thought vibration is matching with the frequency of that thing. You are attracting that thing in your life. According to Dr. David Hawkins, grief, anxiety, fear, guilt, all these are low vibratory emotions. And love, peace, joy, all these are high vibratory emotions. So our thought has, our emotion has vibration. Now, whenever we are thinking something, we are sending out a vibrational frequency towards the universe. And this amplifies when it travels through the space in the universe. And then slowly it manifolds and it comes back to us by manifesting things in our life. It can be your goal, it can be your desire. Now, here is a very important thing that we should take care of. Imagine if you are thinking about a negative thing again and again, what will happen? You are going to amplify the thought and the negative thing can manifest in your life. Now, tell me one thing. What do you want in your life? Positive things to happen or the negative thing? I hope now onwards you are only going to think about positive things to manifest your dreams, your goals in your life. Do you know our mind is divided in conscious mind and subconscious and unconscious mind? Our conscious mind is only 10% mind, but the subconscious and unconscious is the 90% mind. Conscious mind is the one when we are awake, when we are performing anything, when we are thinking, that is the conscious mind, that is the conscious thinking. But when you are sleeping, then also your body activities, the internal activities happens, right? You breathe, the blood circulation is happening, the nervous system is working, the endocrine systems are working. So that is controlled by your subconscious mind. So subconscious mind is the 90%. Conscious mind is only the tip of the iceberg. Rest is all subconscious mind. And do you know, subconscious mind can receive information in picture format, only in picture format. So whenever we are visualizing something, that imprints our subconscious mind. Subconscious mind cannot differentiate between past, present and future. So whatever you are thinking, subconscious take it as the present moment. It cannot differentiate between the reality and imagination. So whatever you imagine, whatever you visualize, subconscious take it as real, take it as right now. So it is very easy to reprogram our subconscious mind. If you want to achieve something, if you start thinking about that thing again and again in a particular way, so there is a way how we can reprogram our subconscious mind. So if you can follow that, then your subconscious mind will get programmed and you can easily achieve that goal. You can easily manifest your dreams in your life. So basically, when our brainwave is at alpha level, the brainwave frequency is between 8 to 13. That time the brain is at alpha state, and that is a very relaxing state. So we can automatically go to that state by relaxing our whole body. And then when we start visualizing about things, then that time our subconscious is very much active, and then it takes things, it receives the information and it starts reprogramming. So if you can practice this thing for like a month, then your subconscious will get reprogrammed. Even if you want to change any habit, if you want to start with something good and make it a habit, you can reprogram your subconscious and change your habit. Now, before we finalize a goal to manifest, we need to ask ourselves few questions. First thing, ask yourself, do you really want this from the core of your heart? If yes, then ask yourself, how will you benefit from manifesting that thing in your life? Next thing, imagine yourself receiving what you desire and feel it. How is it feeling? Is it any joyful experience, or are you not feeling good? And last but not the least, ask yourself, how is it going to be good for you and also for others? If you are going to manifest something at the cost of someone else's happiness, then maybe you will not feel happy from inside, right? So always try to manifest things which always should be for the highest good for all. Now here is a rule to decide a smart goal. Your goal should be smart. First of all, it should be specific, okay? Do not come up with many goals at a time. You have to start with one goal at a time, okay? And you have to be very specific and precise. Suppose you want to buy a house. You must have some idea about the house, right? It can be 2 BHK, 3 BHK, or whatever you have decided for you. So it should be specific, okay? Then it should be measurable. Suppose you want to buy a house and all of a sudden you are thinking that you are going to buy a mansion. Maybe you can do this, but you cannot take it as a short-term goal, right? It may take time. So the goal should be measurable and it should be achievable. Because if you are thinking that, okay, I want to buy the White House, that is not going to possible, right? So you have to be realistic as well, okay? So decide on what you can achieve, and you can go a little beyond your comfort zone. And your goal should be timely. That means like you have to mention a specific timeline, okay? Suppose you want to buy a house, and for that many things you need to take care of, right? The financial aspect, you need to search for the house. It is not that today I want to buy a house and tomorrow I will get it, right? It may take some time. So you can mention the time, maybe after 6 months, or maybe after 1 year, or maybe after 5 years, according to your planning, right? So always make sure that whatever your dream or desire is, that should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. If you follow this, then very likely that you are going to increase the chances of achieving your goal very fast. Now, first thing first, this is vision board. So we must have a vision board. Here are different areas of life which you can work on, right? You can work on your health, career, wealth, then travel, family, lifestyle, hobbies, knowledge, love. You have to decide on which area you want to work first. Do not go with all of them together. Start with one goal at a time. Slowly, when you master this technique, then you can go with 2 or 3 goals at a time. Because you need to spend some time to achieve your goal, right? So initially, start with one goal at a time. Now, let us see the secrets to manifest faster. First thing, whenever you are deciding a goal, you have to conceive it, right? You have to believe in it. If you are not believing in it, suppose you have decided to buy a house, okay, and you are only thinking in your mind that, is it possible? My goal is to buy a house within 1 year. but I don't know how I'm going to do this because I do not have money, I do not have plan. You are not believing in yourself, right? If you have decided, definitely you have to start working on it, right? So you have to believe that yes, it is possible for you and you are definitely going to achieve it. Okay, so now when you are believing it, you have to start feeling that you have already achieved it. You have to celebrate that feeling. You have to feel the end result, the final result of your goal already happened and you are enjoying it. And you have to feel it with all your senses. Like you can see it, you can feel it, you are in that environment. You can see people around you, what they are telling to you. You have to feel it with your all the five senses. And then last but not the least, very important, you must take action. Unless and until you take action, nothing is going to happen, right? So once you start dreaming about your goal, you have to believe in it. You have to feel that it is already happened, and then you have to take action. So what we can do is, so we should start using the right manifestation tool. And then we have to be very clear about, very specific about what we want actually. As I told you before, goal should be specific. Okay, now you have to declutter every area of your life. We have spoken about health, wealth, lifestyle, hobbies, love, financial aspect, everything, right? So we can understand which area we want to work fast. For that, there is one short activity which will be there. You can find out which area you want to work upon at first. You need to practice gratitude and generosity, because once you start practicing gratitude, you start showing gratitude towards the things which are there in your life, then you start attracting positivity in your life. The universe start giving you more. So it is very important, and this is how you can be a better version of yourself. Also, you need to let go of fear, because that is the main obstacle in the path of abundance. You have to come out of your comfort zone and you must live in present. If you are dwelling in the past, that is not going to help you to achieve things in your life, right? And if you are thinking too much about your future you have not seen, right? So if you start thinking negative things, okay, this is my goal, but I don't know if I will be able to achieve it or not. How will I be able to achieve it? If you start thinking all these things, this is not going to help you to achieve it. You have to be in the present and start taking action according to the present situation. Once you start taking action, automatically the universe will show you the path and your intuition will tell you what to do and what not to do. And most important, find your why. You know, when you find your why, when you know why you are doing this, then definitely you will find a way to do this. You know, in my case, I always used to dream about helping others with positive thoughts, with a lot of positivity in their lives. But that time I did not know how to do it. But I always used to dream about doing something regarding this. And slowly, I don't know from where I got different ideas. I start making videos, I start developing course, and now slowly I start writing books. Many things are coming up to me automatically when I gave that thought to universe that yes, I want to help many people. I want to share whatever little knowledge I have with this society. And slowly I started getting different ideas of how I can spread this knowledge. So you need to know your why. Once you know your why, things will start falling in proper place automatically. Here is one 24 hours law of attraction daily chart which you can follow. Here some times are mentioned, but you can prepare according to your timetable. So what we have to do is few things we need to do every day. So first thing, you have to start visualizing your goal, whatever it may be. Take any one goal and start visualizing, and you have to focus on the minute detail of your goal. Suppose you want to buy a house, you have to start thinking about the house, in which locality you want your house, okay? And is it going to be in apartment or is it going to be a bungalow? Whatever it may be, you have to think in a specific way. Whatever thing you want in your house, you have to visualize each and every minute things. How many rooms you want, which side should be your gallery, is it west facing or is it south facing or east facing, whatever you want. What type of furniture you want inside your house, what type of interior you want in your house. So whatever is coming in your head, whatever is your wish, you can visualize them. Now practice affirmation. Like, you can start saying yourself, I will manifest my dream house soon. This can be your affirmation. I will manifest my dream house soon. Or, thank you, God, for blessing me with my dream house. It can be anything. You can make your own affirmation or you can get it from the internet. So, every now and then, keep on telling yourself this affirmation. And this is how you are giving positive thoughts towards your goal. Next thing, you can discuss your plan with your family members, with your dear and near ones. And if you do not want to discuss, you can write it down. Maintain a journal, manifestation journal. There you can write down all your plans regarding your goal, how you want your house to be. Each minute detail you can write down. Then start doing some random acts of kindness. When you start helping others, you be kind, the universe will also give it back to you. So start doing some act of kindness every day. This is how you can spread positive energy around you. And when you start spreading positive energy, you attract positivity more. Also, be kind to yourself. You know, whenever we do some mistake and maybe we tell lie, we can fool others, right? But what about us? We cannot fool ourselves, right? We cannot fool our souls. So try to be kind, try to be truthful to yourself. Now every day you are taking little bit of action towards your goal, right? Like, you are visualizing it, you are writing down your goals, you start taking little bit of actions. Suppose you want to buy the house. For that you need to take few actions related to the financial aspect. Then you need to search for the house, right? So what you can do, you can plan out, okay, this week I will search house in this particular locality. Next week you can decide, okay, I will search house in that particular locality. This week I will be working on my financial aspect, right? So this is how you can divide your work. And every day just spend some time to reflect on your progress. If you are putting 1% also every day, then imagine in 1 year your progress will be 365% more. So every day take some action. You must be consistent in your action. Okay? And very important thing, meditate. Whenever you are finding difficulty in making decision or you are confused, you must meditate and ask yourself. You know, all the answers are lying within you. It is there within you. So what you can do is just relax yourself, ask the question. You may get the answer in your dreams, or maybe you can get the answer when you are asking yourself. But you have to be receptive. Whenever you are getting some clue, your intuition will tell you what to do and what not to do. So meditation is very important. For me, it worked like wonder. Whenever I'm confused, I do meditate. I introspect. I try to get all the answers from within. And it really helps me to deal with the different challenges of life. It also helps me to take decision faster, and my intuition tells me what is right and what is wrong, what I should do and what I should not. And at last, you can start writing a gratitude journal. when we start feeling happy, when we start having an attitude of gratitude, we start appreciating things that are there in our life, then the universe also start giving us more. Now, let us see 10 things which we need to do. First thing, visualize. All the scientists, whenever they come up with some idea or some invention, they first visualized it, right? They first visualized the model or whatever it is. They first visualized it. They first imagined whole thing. Then they implemented and then made it into reality. So, first we need to visualize. Whatever it may be, whatever dreams you want to manifest, first you need to visualize it. You need to feel it from within with all your senses. Because wherever your thought is going, you are giving energy to that. Now, very important that you need to believe and accept. If you are thinking that yes, you are going to buy a house within 1 year, you have to believe that yes, it is possible. And once you start taking action, then definitely you will feel, I already started taking action, now though it is going to definitely happen. You accept whenever things are happening. If you see little bit progress in it, start accepting that yes, it is going to happen. Believe in it. Celebrate your success within you. Here is a beautiful example of celebrating your success. See, a mother, when she knows that the baby is going to arrive soon, before the baby arrives, she celebrates it through baby shower, right? So you also think about your goal as your baby, and it is going to arrive after few months or few weeks, and you start celebrating that yes, it has already manifested and soon it is going to come in front of me. A very simple example I want to give here. You want to buy a two-wheeler. You know which brand and which color it is. You know everything, right? Now start imagining yourself riding the bike. Feel that you are riding, you are going somewhere, you are on the highway. Feel the things inside and bring smile on your face. Feel the moment that as if it is happening right now. You are tricking your subconscious here. The subconscious is thinking this is reality. And subconscious will also start working towards it to make your dream come true. Focus is very important. Suppose you have decided a goal and all of a sudden your focus is shifted towards something else. Then there is no consistency, right? So we always should focus on our goal. Do you know there is a law which says what we focus on, that grows. So every day when we are focusing on our goal, we are sending more energy to it. And be in alignment, which is very important. Suppose you are thinking of buying a house, but when you are talking to someone, you are telling, I don't know if I will be able to buy or not. I don't know how will I manage everything. So you are giving some negative thought. Though you are thinking in your mind that yes, I'm going to buy, but whatever you are saying is contradicting, right? And then maybe you are feeling, yes, I will able to do that. And you started taking action, but then also whenever you are talking to someone, you are saying negative that you don't know if you are able to achieve it or not. But did you notice that here there is no alignment in your thoughts, words and feelings and action? So make sure whenever you have decided on a goal, always be positive about it. Not only think positive about it, say positive things about it. Even if you are talking with someone else, tell them, yes, I know this is going to happen. Do not keep any doubt in your mind. If you are bringing doubt, again, you are breaking the alignment. So there should be alignment in your thought, word, feeling, and action. And then affirmation. I told you before, you can make your own affirmation. Yes, I'm living in my dream house. This can be your affirmation. Or anything which you feel for your goal is suitable, you can make that your affirmation, or you can get it from the internet as well. Here also few list of affirmations are there. There are affirmations for good health, there are affirmations for prosperity, wealth, love, relationship. So whatever suits you, you can go with that. Even you can write down affirmation, and every day morning when you get up, you can just take a look on it. Manifestation journal. I told you before, right? You can keep a manifestation journal in which you can write all things about your goal. You can write each and every minute details, and whatever actions you are taking regarding the manifestation of your goal, you can write it down. This will help you to track your progress as well. I also have one, and I keep on checking my progress every day. You know, writing your goal has a great power, because when you are writing, it has a great impact on your subconscious mind. You are expanding your dream from thought to reality. Now, this is how you can declutter your mind. You can declutter your life, and you can find out which area of your life you want to work on right now. In the coming videos, I will be telling you how to make the mind map to declutter your mind. So stay tuned and watch that video. Spread positivity. You know, a positive mind always gives positive vibes, and it leads to a positive life. So believe in yourself, do some act of kindness, and show some gratitude towards the universe. Appreciate others. Always be positive, think positive, and do positive. Believe there are good things in the world, and for that, first, you need to be the good. So, spread positivity as much as possible. Say some kind words to someone else. Pray for them. Always stay motivated. How we can stay motivated? You can surround yourself with positivity. You can watch motivational videos. You can create a vision board. In later video, I will explain how to create a vision board. Okay? Then make sure to make a SMART goal. If you make a SMART goal, there is a high chance that you are going to achieve your goal. Believe in yourself. Get rid of any fear. Come out of your comfort zone. Visualize your goal is accomplished. These things are very important. Though here are few more tips which you can follow, but I will suggest follow the one with which you feel connected to. Now, the very important step, take action and be detached to the fruits of your action. Every day you must take action. You can follow 1% rule. I mentioned before also, if you take 1% action every day within a year, you will progress 365%. So every day take action, and make sure whenever you achieve something, you maintain a balance. Do not get too much overwhelmed. Do not start feeling too much confident and pride. And even if you are not achieving anything, do not get too much attached with the situation, because you are the part of a bigger plan, the plan of the universe. So whatever is there for you, you will receive it in your time. So have some faith. Last but not the least, gratitude journal. In coming video, I'll be telling you how to write a gratitude journal. When you start doing this activity, you will start feeling more positive, because you are focusing on the things which are already present in your life. And this is how you will not only spread positivity, you will start attracting positivity in your life, and the universe will start giving you more. And here is one secret for you. Enjoy the journey. When you enjoy the journey towards achieving your goal, when you actually achieve it, when you actually receive it, that happiness is immeasurable. So always enjoy the journey. Don't be impatient, because consistent happiness brings instant manifestation. Always keep this in mind. So Decide a smart goal, start believing in it, start feeling that it is already accomplished, celebrate your achievement, and take action. Thank you, everyone. God bless you.